Anyway, I've seen Charlie recently a couple times, and I forgot. He's always like in a great mood, like amazing to be around. But yeah, Charlie was on one at this party we went to, and was the life of the party, and I envy that. So,
Colton, you're the life of my party.
Thank you.
You're the party of my life.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Slay.
So I wanted to ask, where do you think Jackson and Ethan will be today?
At the Plaza Athénée.
Yeah. Or like in, definitely, maybe in Nice or Saint-Tropez or something.
Oh, what do you want?
Yeah. Me, I'm just like, I would love to be there.
I'm the moneymaker in this relationship, you know.
Are you?
Between Ethan and Jackson.
Was that ever established?
I think it was implied.
So I'm just a house husband?
Yes.
Wow. There's nothing wrong with that. That's my dream, but yeah.
Love is labor.
That's true.
That's what
I saved your life.
You did.
Wow. This is the disrespect you get.
You keep holding it over my head.
Me hold grudges? I don't know what you're talking about. So, I'm gonna say one of those places, I would say Madrid, because I personally would also like to be in Madrid, so yeah. We're still together. So, yeah.
Thank you.
Du coup, la question est de dire, arrête-moi si j'ai tort, parce que j'ai pas très bien entendu, où est-ce que serait leur personnage après la série aujourd'hui? D'accord, merci. Et leur réponse commune un peu était clairement la Plaza, oui, ou quelque part comme Nice, Saint-Tropez, quelque chose d'assez ensoleillé et sympa. Et puis après, il était là en mode oui, non mais après, à la fin de la série, c'était... on a dit, mais pas dit, le fait que peut-être tu restais à la maison et c'est moi qui voyage, je ne sais quoi, j'ai fait ok. Donc, apparemment, Colton doit rester à la maison, être du coup l'homme de la maison qui va s'occuper de la maison et tout. Et il faut savoir que l'amour, eh bien, c'est du travail, c'est très important et à garder en tête. Voilà, voilà.
Hi. My question is, how do you think Jackson and Ethan met?
How did we meet?
Would it have been through Lydia? I don't know, actually.
She's a good friend.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think we... Yeah. You know what? I always imagined that, like, in Ethan's grief, he was having a hard time, having lost his brother, and Lydia was like, I know this guy, he's a little confused, but maybe you can help each other.
She was like, I have this guy who kind of looks like your twin brother. Maybe, you know, I know you're missing that, you know, your brother.
I don't think we look alike, Bob.
We've I mean, same haircut.
Well,
you're more in shape than me.
What?
But, no.
More handsome than I. Anyway, Lydia, what a gal.
Same problem.
Slay.
Is there like a fan theory? I don't know. I normally am like a total Tumblr sleuth. Like, I know what all of you are saying. But, I love Tumblr. But I don't know, what do people think? How do people, is there a theory about that or no? Oh.
A couple understand, don't worry about it, but I mean, I don't feel like there's a theory. Maybe you wanted you to create the theory. Lydia, it is?
Lydia, it is. Anna, Slay.
Slay. Ok. Du coup, pour répondre à la question qui était comment est-ce que Jackson et Ethan se sont rencontrés? Telle est la question. Et il se posait des questions. Attends, mais c'est vrai que c'était son ex, son frère était son ex, c'est assez spécial. Est-ce que ce serait Lydia, pas Lydia? Pourquoi? Comment? Quand? Et puis Charlie a pris la parole pour dire alors écoutons. Pendant que Ethan vraiment était en train de se remettre de la perte de son frère, il y a Lydia qui a dit bon, il y a cet homme certes qui ressemble à cet homme-là, mais qui est assez perdu, qui se sent seul et qui l'a un peu pris sous son aile et qui l'a fait rencontrer du coup, qui a fait rencontrer aussi Jackson à lui, et c'est comme ça que ça a commencé. En tout cas, c'est comme ça qu'on pense que ça a commencé.
Secret.
Did you ever steal anything from the set?
So jealous.
You stole my heart.
Well, I'm keeping it forever. Whatever that means. Yeah.
It's dead, it's tiny and it's dead.
Yeah. Oh, I stole so much stuff. I'm like a memory hoarder. Like, I hold people hostage with my memories. I mean, I wrote a whole book about that. But I have anything from like other characters' clothes. I didn't. They actually think that I took Styles and Scott's underwear on purpose. I didn't take those, but it says their name in them. I didn't do it. I did not.
Didn't take your underwear.
I just took anything. I literally wanted memories, so I took a lacrosse stick. I mean, I stole it. It was like thievery, but jackets. Most of my wardrobe. Apparently, other characters own shoes. Yeah, so I took a lot of shit.
I'll let you do that. I'm gonna let you know.
I need to stop being so.
You do you, boo-boo. I'll do my job, don't worry. Mais pour répondre, on dirait, est-ce qu'il a volé des choses sur le set de manière assez secrète? La réponse est oui. Déjà, on l'appelle, on va dire, c'est quelqu'un qui adore collectionner les souvenirs les souvenirs tout court, et il a même pris déjà ce qui est à lui, mais ce qui est aux autres aussi, dans le sens où il a pris des vestes, il a pris des jaquettes, il a pris même tout ce qui était à lui. Il a pris apparemment, sans le faire exprès, on ne sait pas comment, les caleçons c'était Dylan et quelqu'un d'autre, et Tyler posait. Du coup, et il disait non, enfin, les gens lui disaient oui, t'as pris mon truc, et il disait oui, il y avait son nom, mais c'est pas moi qui l'ai pris. Il y avait tout un. C'était quelque chose. Oui, d'ailleurs, qui ne sont pas utilisés. Qui ne sont pas utilisés, ok? Et ça allait où?
I'm actually worried that whoever finds it is gonna think I'm a serial killer because I took all of my wolf nails, my like press-on nails, and I have them in a little box.
You wear other presents.
I don't wear my
Other presents. It's over.
Yeah. So I have a little sort of treasure box. I don't have a hoarder hut, whatever you call it.
Oh, it's like a whole house.
I have a little treasure box, and there's like brown, scary-looking fingernails in there, and it looks really creepy. Yeah.
Pour Charlie, il a gardé du coup, on va dire, comment on appelle ça, des griffes qu'ils avaient pour son personnage. Il a gardé ça juste dans un petit truc, il n'a pas fait comme lui, il a une maison de choses Teen Wolf, spécial Teen Wolf. Lui, il a gardé une petite, on va dire, boîte dedans avec ces griffes-là qui sont apparemment assez dégueulasses et qui font peur et qui sont spéciales.